Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering a crucial skill for protecting your investments, how to set stop losses on Robinhood. A stop loss is a handy tool that helps you minimize potential losses by automatically selling a stock when it reaches a specified price. Let's dive into the steps to set it up. Open the Robinhood app. Start by launching the Robinhood app and logging into your account. Make sure you've identified the stock or asset for which you'd like to set a stop loss. Navigate to your holdings. Go to the Portfolio section and select the stock you want to manage. Tap on it to open the stock's detailed page. Select the Sell option. Tap the Trade button, then choose Sell from the options. You'll see various order types available, including Market, Limit, and Stop Loss. Choose Stop Loss Order. Select Stop Order or Stop Loss Order. This allows you to set a trigger price at which Robinhood will automatically sell the stock. Set your stop price. Enter the price at which you'd like to sell the stock if its value drops. For example, if you purchased a stock at $50 and want to limit your losses to $5 per share, set the stop price at $45. Review and confirm. Double-check the details of your stop loss order, including the stock, trigger price, and order type. Once you're satisfied, confirm the order to activate it. Monitor and adjust as needed. Keep an eye on your portfolio and market conditions. You can modify or cancel your stop loss order anytime if your strategy changes. Using stop losses is a smart way to manage risk and stay disciplined in your trading strategy. With Robinhood's intuitive interface, setting up a stop loss is quick and straightforward. Have you tried using stop losses on Robinhood? Share your experiences in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.